Chennakesava Temple. In 1117 AD, King Vishnuvardhana commissioned the Chennakesava temple on the banks of Yagachi in Belur. It took 103 years to complete the masterpiece of Hoysala architecture. It narrates the tales of the glory and grandeur of bygone era. Chennakesava temple, also referred to as Chennakeshava temple and Keshava temple, is a Vaishnava Hindu temple on the banks of river Kaveri at Somanathapura, Karnataka, India. It is located 38 kilometers east of Mysore city. The Ornate Temple is a model illustration of the Hoysala architecture. The temple is enclosed in a courtyard with a pillar corridor of small shrines. The main temple is in the center is on a high star-shaped platform with three symmetrical sanctums set in a square matrix oriented along the east-west and north-south axis. The western sanctum was for a statue of Kesava, the northern sanctum of Janardana, and the southern sanctum of Venugopala, all forms of Vishnu. The sanctums share a common community hall with many pillars. The outer walls, the inner walls, the pillars, and the ceiling of the temple are intricately carved with the theological iconography of Hinduism and display extensive friezes of Hindu texts such as the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Bhagavata Purana. The Kesava temple too was badly damaged according to 15th century inscriptions. It was repaired in the 16th century with financial support and grants by the emperors of the Vijayanagara Empire. The repairs are evidenced by different colors of stones and quality of work in a veranda and parts of the northern tower and platform of the main temple. The repaired temple was damaged in the 19th century, then repaired again in the early 20th century by the colonial era Mysore government. The temple has a large open public courtyard surrounded by the walled enclosure with the main three towered temples in the center. The courtyard wall frames a rectangular veranda and an array of small shrines. The Kesava temple is one of some 1500 Hindu and Jain temples built by the Hoysala emperor kings in different parts of the kingdom. The other well-studied Hoysala temples include those at Belur and Alebeedu. A few of the significant historical dates and circumstances around the Kesava temple is inscribed in 8 stones in different parts of South India. The inscriptions is in Old Kannada. The temple has numerous small inscriptions which are either logo of the Mason Guilds or the name of the artist who carved the block pillar or artwork. The northern and southern row of small shrines inside the pillared courtyard corridor consists of 18 single shrine and one linked double shrine each. The 64 corridor shrines once featured Vedic and Puranic deities and rooms for pilgrims. No temples in the country possesses sculptures and carvings that are anywhere near the grace and perfection of the Ursula shrines. Thank you.